Welcome back to my channel mga kapanalig, and for today pag-uusapan nga natin kung worth it pa nga ba maging aircraft mechanic or aviation professional, and totoo ba na mababa yung sahod ng pagiging aircraft mechanic dito sa Pilipinas. So, tune in. So yun, if bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa bagong upload ko. And also, I talk here about aviation, travel, lifestyle. Ayan. May mga sumisigaw na aso, pasensya na. We're shooting on the daytime, which bihirang-bihira natin ginagawa. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung audio natin. So, just a disclaimer, this is based on my independent research, market research, and this is solely my opinion. This does not reflect the opinion of my current employer or all the guests that I have here in my show or in my channel. Ang lakas ng show. So, ayan. Pag-usapan na natin. One of the most frequently asked questions sa akin is magkano nga ba ang sahod ng aircraft mechanic? So, when I tell them the range, they feel sad or they sound sad kasi nga parang hindi siya economically viable. So, I always say to them na there's a reason why it is called starting salary, kaya nga starting salary. And then, there are different factors na nakaka-affect nun. So, one, of course, is your working experience. So, parang, paano magkaka-working experience? Fresh grad nga, normally. So, parang ako, I work third year, fourth year as a call center agent. And then, pagdating ko nag-a-apply na ako sa aviation industry, I was able to negotiate. So, hindi man related yung industry na BPO industry sa aviation industry, yung work experience ko, hindi man sila related. I was able to haggle and negotiate. So, I think having an experience, regardless kung saan industry kagaling, and going to aviation, makakatawad ka naman and makaka-negotiate ka. So with the current climate, and even before the pandemic, merong mga company na kukunin ka nila as OJT or trainee talaga, pero hindi ka nila babayaran or allowance lang yung ibibigay sa'yo. And then, as time progress naman, meron naman, may makukuha ka naman. It will start like food allowance muna, transport allowance, and yung iba, yung malalaking company naman, they gave like 7,000 as allowance for their MTP. That's 5,000 to 7,000. That's an average range. And then starting salary is 11,000 to 13,000. And then after regularization, that will be let's say 15,000 to 18,000 per month siya. Hindi siya per quincenas katapusan. And then sa mga airlines, sa mga napagtanungan natin sa ating independent market research, ang starting salary nila is 15,000 to 18,000 rin. So ang companies kasi, they have this like every year or annually na tumataas ng 5%, 10% din sa, depende dun sa kontrata mo sa kumpanya, and depende rin dun sa growth ng company as well. So one of the factor rin, or another factor rin, kaya medyo mababa yung sahod sa atin is saturated yung market. Sobrang dami nating graduates ng aviation related courses, pero ang onti lang nung a job opening or pwede nating pagtrabahuhan if we really want to do it or to pursue our passion in aviation industry. Kasi for example, sa Phill where I graduated, siguro sa isang class namin, let's say 50 and apat yung section, so that's 200. Pero ilan lang ba yung companies na mag-hire? And even though mag-hire sila ng MTP, hindi naman makukuha yung 200. So, sobrang saturated ng market para sa atin. The second one is, we are a specific sector. Hindi tayo general. Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi na ang isang kumpanya, lahat yan may accounting, may business management, ganyan. May IT. Pero hindi lahat kasi is kailangan ng aircraft mechanic. So, if a bank is hiring, or if a company is hiring a business manager or business management related course, syempre ang kukuhunin niya is yung mga BSBA kaysa sa BSAMT or BS Aero Engineering, diba? So, yun rin yung isa pang factor. And then, for me, it's worth looking yung sahod natin na mababa. It's worth looking. It's a dialogue to be open up. Kasi, ang daming magagaling na graduate I mean, from different school. Pero yun nga, um, nalalayo sa linya, nami-misalign sa aviation industry kasi nga imbis na magstay sila, doon na lang sila sa malaking offer like the BPO industry nga. Malaki kasi ang offer sa ibang industry compared sa industry sa atin. And then I think the passion is also a factor here kasi kung passion mo talaga ang pagiging mechanic or aircraft mechanic or aviation professional, and then go for it, it's worth taking risk. For me hindi man laging up, pero pataas rin naman kasi siya. Hindi siya pababa yung growth mo sa isang kumpanya, sa isang aviation industry. And you will not always have the 7,000, 5,000, 13,000, 18,000. Tumataas naman siya. Tumataas. It depends on, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, it depends on your experience. And then hindi lang rin naman sa aviation industry mababa ang starting salary. Ang HR, ang marketing. That's why this is called entry level or starting salary. And ratings start from small beginnings. Yun yung masasabi ko. And worth it siya kung iniisip mo yung long-term plan mo. Worth it siya kung passion mo siya. Hindi ko siya masasabing worth it if the situation calls for it na parang mas kailangan mo maging practical kung breadwinner ka, may pinapaaral ka. Hindi kaya nung starting salary sa aviation yung kailangan mong i-provide. So yun, dun lang siya hindi, for me, magiging worth it yung pagiging aircraft mechanic or aviation professional. Kasi syempre, kanya-kanya tayong facing, kanya-kanya tayong situation. Diba, kung breadwinner ka, tapos your family of 4 or 5, tapos 16,000. So, bills pa lang, mauubos na. So, hindi rin natin masisisi yung iba nating mga kapanalig na misaligned. And I don't discriminate them. I actually hinahangaan ko sila for the courage. Kasi of course, 4 years natin tinapos to, 5 years sa iba, sa Aero. And then, diba, to let go of this because of the current economical or because of the economical needs, kailangan mong i-let go yung gusto mo or yung pinag-aralan mo. And yun nga, that's why it should be a discussion to be open. It's worth looking. So, sa mga fresh grad dyan, sa mga wala pang experience sa aviation industry, at na gustong ipagpatuloy and gustong maging aviation professional, so yun lang yung masasabi ko na keep pushing and one day you'll be where you want to be. Magiging aircraft mechanic ka, makukuha mo lisensya mo, and everything will fall into place. Passion in aviation, yon. And ayun lang. Sobrang personal, no? Sobrang personal nung mga advices ko, and ayun lang. Because I get these questions a lot, and ayoko rin naman na parang i-sugarcoat yung nangyayari sa loob ng industriya natin. But I want everyone to be prepared and to know what's really happening inside the industry. But then again, ayun nga, madami mag-o-open ng Bulacan Airport, ang LTP, nagbubukas sila ng hangar, nagtatayo sila ng hangar, diba? Flights are picking up, sorry. And then, ayun lang, it's pray for Ukraine, pray for the Philippines, vote wisely, and then, ayan, don't forget to click to share. Don't forget to share this channel. Oh my god! Don't forget to share this video and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok at happyphillph, and then on Facebook at happyphill. Ayun lang, maraming salamat yung mga kapanalig. Kung may tanong kayo, gusto natin pag-usapan, go comment it down. Maraming salamat ulit mga kapanalig.